Next, nature around us এটা কবিতা আছে আৰু কবিতাটোৰ নাম হৈছে The Wind and the Leaves. The wind মানে হৈছে বতাহ আৰু কি হৈছে পাত. Leaves মানে কি হয় পাত. দে এতিয়া আমি কবিতাটো পঢ়ো আহাচোন. Come little leaves, said the wind one day. Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dress of red and gold. Summer is gone and the days grow cold. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. Over the brown fields they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Cricket, goodbye, we have been friends so long. Little brook, sing us your farewell song. Say you are sorry to see us go. Ah, you will miss us right well we know. George Cooper. কবিতাটোৰ কবিজনৰ নাম হৈছে জৰ্জ কুপাৰ.